Hello friend, now we are going to start the one of the specific topic related to mind. So mind over body control. So our body system is a psychosomatic system. Psychosomatic system means our mind control whole body system. So whatever the body happening or at the system level, it is controlled by the mind. So now we control the mind, so and we also control the body system. So this video related to the stress program. So now we are person who are more stressed. So this is the stress releasing program. So what stress during a stress condition of our mental disbalance takes place. Our thinking process is diffused. Our body system also get gradually damaged. So we work on the stress releasing system. So how the stress releasing system takes place? So our body, our mental system is psychosomatic. So whatever you put in mind, it's shown your body system. It's shown. If our mind is more negative, so our body system is become gradually damaged. So during negative thinking, negative thought process, so our HPA axis system become active. So HPA system is a system of hypothalamus, pituitary and adrenal system. So these axis system, HPA axis active, so this release more stress hormone in blood and it also affect our visceral organ systems like digestive system, circulatory system. In circulatory system, our heartbeat, hypertension, blood pressure rises gradually, and other system like excretory system, neural system are affected through this active HPA system. So once we down the stress system or release the stress system, so there are the many process occurs to control the stress as well as depression process. So first we are in the state of positive frame mindset. So it if affect or inert the HPA system, and inert HPA system, so our increase the dose system. Dose system means dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin. So these dose is nothing, it is a happening hormone, happiness, and it increase the happiness index. So this is a type of psychoneuroendocrine system which works under the you are in the positive state of mind. So again, so this is the positive side. So this is the function at mind as well as body system level. Another is the occurs at subconscious level. So we have a combination of IQ, UQ and SQ. So IQ means high intelligence rate. So person have a quick processing of the data. So information gathering is very fast. So high IQ means a person is 140, 150, it's a high IQ. So person whose high IQ means high gathering the data, high processing the data, but low EQ. So emotional quotient is just understanding of the knowledge, understanding of the moral value, understanding the social connectivity, how to control the adverse situation. So if a person's having high EQ, so this type of activities are. So this is the combination of the IQ and EQ system. So this system is governed by a special intelligence system is called SQ. SQ is nothing, it is just a spiritual quotient. A spiritual quotient it is not a you are in a spiritual process or any kind of the activity you have to do like the spiritual yogis are doing. So in spiritual quotient you have to just go depth and deep of your mind and understand their value. So high SQ means it control both IQ as well as EQ process. So if high SQ person have a great level of subconscious mind. So if you increase the subconscious mind, means you also control both IQ as well as EQ. Another system is it's a special program which is white light transmutation. So when you enter in the positive state of the mind and visualize the white light in between two eyebrows and activate your pineal gland. So one of the gland which present in the mid region of the brain or just above the hypothalamus is called pineal gland. So when the white light emerging there and focusing on the white light and radiating white light, so it increase your positive frequency. So it remove the negative frequency, and once you attain the age state of or at the reach of 528 Hz. So if frequency level or mental frequency is 528, that frequency is called solfeggio frequency. That frequency is called solfeggio frequency. So at solfeggio frequency, so DNA activation starts. So this is the gathering of the DNA on that more folding of DNA is called junk DNA. So once is uncoiling of the DNA takes place and alignment of DNA. So this is the DNA activation process, and DNA which divide to form the 12 strand of the DNA. Once is 12 stranded DNA activation start, so your mind body alignment in linear way. So this is the trifecta of body, mind and spirit. So once you attain this frequency, so this is the process. You release the stress, you release the depression, you release the any mental kind of or psychotic process. So this is the special program. First is HP inert HP axis. Second, combination of IQ and EQ through spiritual quotient. Third one is a white light transmutation. So it is a process of remove the negative frequency or negative energy by adopting positive one. So this is the, and once this is the 12 standard DNA activation probe through we attain the solfeggio frequency. So this is all about related to the mind body control system. Once we control of the body through the mind, we will proper work and we enhance our happiness index. So happiness is one of the tools to release the stress. So okay, thank you.